name is Len and you are very welcome on my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Twyla Neon Frights from the G3 line. So the box is a coffin, just like all the other 𝆪Twyla secrets that we have out for now. And it's made in Twyla's colors. It's purple, teal, turquoise, and a bit of black. We can also get Twyla's art right here, which represents her look in this collection. We can see Monster High written in a blue font, the name of the collection, Neon Frights, and of course 𝆪Twyla secrets. Behind we can also see all the other ghouls that are included in this collection, which will be Twyla, Dracula, Frankie, and Ghoulia. This part of the coffin where the doll is contained is teal with some black gradient, and it has a bunch of box silhouettes, some kind of shadows. I am really interested in Twyla's bangs in this collection because from what I've seen on the internet, everyone was super mad about her bangs because they don't actually look like her promo photos, and people have a problem with it. Of course I can fix that, but I'm just interested to see what it actually looks like in real life. Okay, I get what they were talking about. Let's get her out and take a closer view. Okay, so I got Twyla out of box, and yeah, I can see why people are having controversial opinions on her bangs in this collection. It's just straight up flat. It's not even covering like her whole face, so it's a very interesting decision for a doll, but I will see what I can do to fix this. But for now, let's just focus on the doll and on the good parts. So Twyla's hair in this collection is mostly blue. It's not turquoise or teal like it was in previous collections. It's just straight up bluish with some purple hair strands. And the bangs is mostly purple, but it has some blue parts too. Her makeup is also blue with some purple highlights to it, and she also has dark purple lips. Her outfit is also pretty simple, just like all the other dolls in this collection. She's wearing latex shorts, which are purple. She's also wearing a sleeveless top with a black bow on top of it. The print on the top duplicates the one that we saw on the coffin itself, but this one actually has more color to it. She's also wearing a belt, which is of a lavender color. It has a bunch of molds on it, and it has a small mold of a bunny. Twyla is also wearing some kind of blue teal neon boots. We saw a similar idea of the platform in the creepover party. It's also imitating a window of a house, but this time we have some kind of hands inside of the window, and we also can see the curtains, which are going to the inner part of the shoes. It has also a bunch of buttons all around the shoe, and we get a bit of spiders right here, and on top we can see again dusting. As always in Neon Frights line, the first locker that we are getting to open is the crystal black one, the top one. My key is not covered in any plastic. I had the same issue with Twyla, and it kind of was stick to the clothes that we get. Okay, so the first locker is the clothing locker, and we get the famous hoodie from the Neon Frights line. This time it's teal. It has 3/4 length sleeves. It has some black latex ruffle all around the hoodie, and it also has some transparent bunny ears. We also get a skirt, which I really like actually. It's black and it has some eyes on it of teal, purple, and violet colors. And we also get a top, which is of light blue, baby blue color. And we have Dustin's print right here, which says dream. I put the hoodie on at Twyla, and I must say this is gonna be my favorite hoodie from all the Neon Frights line. Let's move on to the next locker. So next up is the purple locker. This locker is an accessory locker, and first we get a small bag just like with all the other dolls from Neon Frights. This time it's teal, and it has a door lock mold on it and a small spider on top. The handle is performed in chain mold. We also get a small teal necklace with a spider on it. We also get a pair of earrings, which is actually a lock and a key. The third locker we're going to open is the dark purple one. And this locker includes a teal key hanger and a really cute pair of shoes. I actually really like them because they are kind of giving a reference to Twyla's first ever appearance in Freaking Wishes. This print with spiders is actually the same print that we had on Twyla 13 Wishes. We get also to see some teal laces on them. The platform is purplish. It has some molds of books. In the back we can see a lock with chains, and the lock is in the form of a heart. Now moving on to the last locker we're going to open today, the teal locker. First off, we have this lantern, and it's performed in a crystal violet see-through color. It's soft actually to the touch, so it's made of some kind of rubber. And it has a candle inside, and the candle is of a more bright purple color. The lantern itself has some molds of a city, of some buildings. Next up we have a plate with some cookies. The plate itself is white, and the cookies kind of remind me of the Halloween donuts. Now of course Twyla isn't a big computer enjoyer, and she includes with her a book which is called Shadows, and we get a spider web with a Monster High skull in the back. And if we open the book, you can actually see the beginning of the book, chapter 1. It's mostly unreadable what's written in here, but I bet it's really fun for Twyla. And the last accessory that kind of threw me off, I was not understanding what is it until I saw the second one. It's a pair of some AirPods, monster pods, I'm not sure how to call it. I'm actually very interested in how it will look on Twyla, and will it actually hold in place, hold still? Let's check that out. The first one holds still really good. The second one, not really. While putting them on, I kind of realized what these are. These are noise cancelling headphones. As we know, Twyla is autistic, and this collection is about a rave and goals going to a rave, and Twyla doesn't do good with loud sounds. I think this is the only way for her to join the party. I must say that this is gonna be one of my favorite accessories from Neon Frights line. Alright guys, this was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like under this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel to see more videos of Monster High goals openings. And this was 𝆪Twyla, and bye bye!